Hi guys, welcome to a millennial entrepreneur day in the life.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic.
Alright guys, let's run through my day today. So I want it to be very real and raw in this video because owning your own business is hard. I'm in my very first year of business, going full-time just with this. So to explain what this is, I am a health coach that helps adults with eczema heal naturally. I also do YouTube for eczema, and so these entrepreneur videos are something really different on my channel because usually I'm focused on helping people with their eczema, but I really wanted to share all of this because this is kind of what I'm passionate about, is showing people the realistic expectations you should have when owning your own business and the things that I've learned in the last year trying to figure out how to own my own business. So running through my day today, I am about to hop on my computer. I am writing an ebook, and basically the ebook gets sent out to my clients, and it's just like a really long ebook. It's like 100+ pages, and so I have to plow through chapter 5. And then what I'm gonna end up doing is I have a meeting at 11. So it's currently like 9 a.m. I have to eat somewhere in between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. because I have an online meeting where I'm talking to two amazing women who, it's funny, one of them I'm gonna meet in person right after our video call. But we're working on doing a webinar together. So one of my friends is all about inflammation and the other one's all about acne. So the three of us are gonna have a webinar in February. So that's what we're talking about. And also, me and one of the girls are having a really amazing top secret project for the eczema community, so stay tuned. I think that's going to come out in February. So then I have to send out a couple of emails, and part of my job is also talking to the eczema community. So I have to get on my computer because I figured out how to get my Instagram DMs on my computer, which is phenomenal. If you want to know how to do that, comment down below. And I'll be going on Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger because that's where my clients message me at. And I'm gonna end up just replying to clients, replying to random people, just like bringing the community together. And then I have to post on my Instagram story. And so basically I'm going through a course to teach me about Instagram stories because it's not as easy as just posting whatever you want. There's actually a lot of thought you have to put into it. So there has to be a balance between giving people value and selling what you offer. So I sell a coaching program, and that's how I help the community the most, is being able to do like one-on-one coaching. So have to go through emails. So basically I'm going to take you along my day. I literally have to film a YouTube video right after this, and it's about like, can I ever eat fridge foods again? So fridge foods is an acronym that I made up, and it stands for fried foods, refined sugar, eggs, dairy, gluten. And this video I feel like people have been asking for a really long time. So I have my ring light set up, and I'm gonna bring my big camera out, and I'm gonna go ahead and film that. And that's the first thing I have to do. Then when I'm hanging out with my friend later, I have to edit that video, which means I have to take my headphones with me to the cafe to do this work. So let me go ahead and dive into making this YouTube video. What I actually like to do is I have a script, and I can show you that in 2 seconds. Okay, this is how I plan out my YouTube videos. So January YouTube 2020. So I've been filming what I eat in a day, and that's gonna go out sometime next week. I have it posted for the 6th, but I think it's actually gonna be later. So I have all of these different things in it where I plan out the video, and then I plan out the description. And what I have to do now is do this for the video that I'm about to put out. So like grab all of this, copy and paste it, and then I have to do some writing. Whoa, Oh my god, guys, that video was intense. I feel like I just blabbered for a straight half hour, and I hope this video is everything that I want it to be and it's as helpful as I hope it will be for people. So I just filmed it on the same camera that I'm filming this with. So what I'm gonna end up doing is taking the SD card out of this, putting it to my computer. I actually have a hack for you guys. If you have a computer that doesn't have a lot of space on it, get a removable disk and put your editing software on the disk. So I use Premiere Pro to edit my videos with, and Premiere Pro is located on this disk. That way also, if I have to film but I don't have my computer and I have this, I can do it pretty much anywhere. So it's 9:30, I need to go make some food, eat my food, start editing my video, hop on a call, then I have to like take a lift up to this other part of town, meet my friend at a cafe shop, and go from there. So owning your own business is really tough. I actually had a really hard time earlier this week. It's just the hardships of owning your own business. It's scary. Nothing is guaranteed, and I was in a really low place. But last night I was actually really anxious, and I was like, I woke up, I had really bad dreams. I woke up, I try to take my dreams as realizing where some insecurities that I have are, or where I need to find growth, and so that's kind of what happened. It was just a lot of weird insecurities that came up in my dreams. So this morning, I was really upset by it. I ended up turning on some affirmations, and they're just things like, I love myself, and I'm successful, I'm rich, I'm the perfect partner for my perfect partner. Just really good things that soothe you. I should turn on my diffuser over here. Let's turn this on. And I just like made myself motivated. I watched YouTubers that inspired me. I looked at food photos on my phone because I love watching people like create food. I'm such a foodie. And ooh, I have to sneeze. I basically pumped myself up and got myself back into the spirit. I love filming so much, and I love talking about being an entrepreneur. So me deciding to talk about this and make this video made me feel so much better today, to then inspire me to make a YouTube video for my eczema community. So thank you for watching. If you're watching this, I needed this today, and I need to start making more videos about how, like, what it takes to be an entrepreneur. So it's gonna be an entrepreneur and an eczema channel, and that's just what it's gonna be, because that makes me happy and it fuels me. So time to go make some food and then jump into work. Okay, food has been eaten. I basically just like made a bowl of food, and that's what I always do because it's quick and simple. And then I meal prepped a dessert, which was really fun. I make like this cookie dough out of beans, and then I freeze it with chocolate in it, and it's really, really good. So my meeting is in 15 minutes, but I want to start editing the video that I just filmed because it has to go up today. So I'm gonna set you aside and just let you watch me work and do my thing, and yeah.
Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Now I'm off to go co-work with one of my friends. Her name is Cassie, and she helps people with acne like I help people with eczema. So just taking a walk up to the cafe that we are going to hang out at.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Oh my gosh, it has been a long day today. I still have not finished my YouTube video because usually when you co-work, you have to plan that you're not gonna get as much done as you thought you were gonna get done. But I got to talk to one of my close friends and it was really nice, and we were both able to just like message people and chat back and forth, and I got some really good news as far as a client. Got some stuff just like figured out, so I'm feeling good and have to go shower and then just finish up this YouTube video and finish editing and then finish talking to you guys about this. But one thing that my friend and I were talking about when we were working together was how intimidating it felt to have an LLC before actually doing the process. The process is literally so easy to file for your LLC. So give this video a big thumbs up if you want to know how to file for an LLC. So basically, like, it's different types of businesses. So like if you just have your own business, you're a sole proprietor, and then you can file to make an LLC, which means limited liability company. And it means that people can't sue you for your personal belongings. They can sue your business and for what your business has. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna end this video here. I hope you guys like this entrepreneurial video, and if you want more, again, give this a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. All right, see you guys.